Hi, welcome to the system. This is the new version for April, and this is your information. So sysinfo, everybody has that command. Now the video is about the update that's coming on. So we do a Ctrl-Alt-T, for instance, and we stay in the terminal and we can type typos. This is a typo, of course. I do it all the time, but it's in there. It's an alias to get our stuff in. And what I talk about is this guy. This is a new guy coming in, the version of arcolinux-welcome-app. It's the app you see when you launch it the first time. So with the scal, I'm gonna get the stuff that's in here to the page, well, to my home directory. So if you're new to arcolinux, check out what scal means and check out many tutorials about it. So we have a welcome tool. All right, so the welcome, you can either do it like this and start typing, or we have keyboard shortcuts. We love keyboard shortcuts. We have 15 desktops, right? And 6 of them are tiling window managers. I mean, you need to be keyboard driven if you're working in those. Ctrl-Alt-W is the new welcome. Nothing has changed except this little strange thing. I hope it attracts your attention because that was the reason. So what's in here, that's already in advance to the release of April. When you are booting into live DVD or live USB would be better, as said, is that you get this reminder. You can select everything if you want, but remember, some of the packages will always conflict whatever Arch Linux based system you're on. And Pacman just can't cope with them because they're delivering the same packages, the same files and folders on the same place. That's not done. Pacman says no can do. So basically, when you're selecting everything in Calamares, you'll see shortly in April, you'll see that those things will not be installed, all 2 of them, just one of them, right? So it will result in a conflict. Calamares will just install, everything will just pass, but in the end, it's just one of them that will be installed. That's a conflict. There's nothing we can do about it. It sounds very a bad word, right? But it's super simple. If you know what's going on, you just can't write the same files to the same place. That's it. So Visual Studio Code bin is from Microsoft. This is an open source guy. It delivers the same kind of software differently, right? Synapse is a kind of pop-up where you can type in your application you're looking for, and it is going to conflict with these 2 guys. So either you like and love Catfish and keep that one, or you say Synapse is the way to go. I'm gonna delete Catfish and Side Guys. That's what it means, right? Conflict. Now in this case is just a choose. You can't install both of them. You can't install the beta version and the new version, or the stable version. So the fresh is the beta, or the newest version, and still is the stable version. And the same goes for VirtualBox. If you want to install it either for Linux or Linux LTS, but not both. So this is here to remember us at all points in time, after installation as well. I can't do that. I can't install both of them, and maybe it's a good exercise to just show you. So sudo pacman, well, I'd rather not do it with xcursor breeze, and there's a reason why I don't want to do it. This is a clean machine, and if I do breeze, okay, that's okay then. I thought a lot of stuff would come in, but it's just the application. That's great. So I have breeze installed, but when I want to install xcursor breeze, then this is gonna happen, right? Xcursor breeze and breeze are in conflict. But when you're on Calamares, it's just gonna skip this thing. It's just gonna, oh, whatever, rubbish, and I'll skip it and I'll take the next one, because there is nobody answering yes or no. Nobody is there. Calamares is just doing an automatic installation. So that's what this is all about, right? So applications that are providing the same kind of packages in Calamares, just know that some of them out there will deliver the same kind of information, same kind of packages, and it will never be able to install both of them. That's the intention of the video. That's the message we already give you, and it will be, of course, afterwards, after the installation, just the same. So it is here as a reminder. All right, cheers.